Hello, my name is Arvind Singh and I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I did my graduation from lovely professional university in hotel management. After completion of my course, so I thought to move abroad. So I meet with Mr. Yudhvir and his team. So I given my all the documents, everything to him for my higher education. So he decided me to give. He suggested me actually to take admission in University of Huddersfield for MSc in Tourism and Hospitality Management. So I have given all the documents and everything to him. So and I have to take loan as well. So firstly I decided to take loan from the Jaipur itself because it's where I am living. So he suggested me that he can also help me out from the situation. So from Punjab only he has done my everything, like from taking loan to taking admission, visas, medical, each and everything. Like I can say, like if I'll rate out him, like I'll surely rate 10 out of 10. And yeah, I really appreciate the hard work, the dedication of Mr. Yudhvir and his team. Just because of him, I am here in UK. I am in Manchester. I am pursuing MSc in Tourism and Hospitality Management. So like my course is about to over and now I'm applying for PSW. So again, thank you so much, sir.